Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity assets, the SIM registered to your number and a government ID. Once done, open Gcash or its help center and choose Account Recovery. This starts the verification flow. Make sure you can recall recent transactions and linked accounts because Gcash asks for those to confirm ownership. You'll enter your mobile number, receive an OTP or alternative challenge, and follow prompts. This first stretch proves you control the phone and related financial links. Next, you'll upload identity documents and a live selfie so Gcash matches faces to ID, do it in good light and follow framing instructions. Then, attach proof of account activity, screenshots of transactions, bank statements, or receipts, because these demonstrate genuine ownership. Also, answer any security questions about devices and dates. These contextual answers speed approval. Once you complete uploads, submit the request and wait for Gcash confirmation emails or messages. When Gcash approves, you'll reset your MPIN or password and re-enable two-factor authentication. Do this immediately to secure access. If your request is denied, read the rejection reason carefully and re-upload clearer ID or additional proof. Once done, resubmit or escalate via the official hotline and support chat. Make sure to keep the ticket number, timestamps, and screenshots of submissions. These speed a follow-up. Finally, monitor linked accounts for unusual activity and update recovery contacts to avoid repeats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.